And toucans, too. What?
Let's go on that side because there's some. These orange things are laying down, but there's one over there doing something.
Okay. That is amazing. We're at the flamingo cage.
And then there's a pelican.
Oh, that's it. This is the flamingos.
You know what? Yeah. Never mind. That's the same.
Never mind. This isn't the flamingo cage. This is the seagull cage, and apparently they're pink.
Yeah.
Are they toucans?
I'm not sure what those are.
I'm gonna guess yes. Apparently these are two seagulls.
Anyway.
Aw, cute ducky. Okay. Ah, they get their own lazy river too. Ain't that cute?
Where did that orange bird go?
Flew away. It was shy. I don't know.
That's funny.
I know, right?
They're on lazy river.
Oh, these are things that look like flamingos. They are roseate spoonbills. And the rest of the birds are already
There's that orange bird.
Oh, there it is, yeah. I see it. And look, little oranges on the trays, too. Oh, it's a cute ducky. It's cute. That's it for this aquarium.